how to add clock and weather on your Samsung mobile screen. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all you have to do, press and hold an empty space on your mobile screen. And after that, at the bottom you will get widgets. Tap on widgets. And now scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get clock. Tap on this down arrow icon. And after that, here you'll get a digital clock and analog clock. Tap on which one you like, and then tap on add button. And as you can see that the clock has been added on my screen. Now you can resize it. And now I'm going to show you how can you add weather on your home screen. Follow the same process. Tap and hold an empty space on your screen, and then tap on widgets. And now scroll down, and here you'll get weather. Tap on this down arrow icon. And after that, here you'll get weather insights. Tap on it, and then tap on add. And then if you don't get your location on your weather, then tap on it, and then tap on agree. And after that, it will ask you for your location. Tap on OK. Then tap on while using the app, and then it will automatically detect your location, and then you will get this weather information on your home screen. And that's how you can add weather and clock on your mobile home screen. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.